Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download Microsoft PowerToys safely and easily. If you want to unlock extra productivity features like fancy zones, power rename, image resizer, and more, the first step is downloading the official version of PowerToys. So let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and search for Microsoft PowerToys. From the search results, open the official Microsoft website or the official GitHub releases page. Downloading from an official source helps ensure you're getting the latest version without any unwanted software. Once you're on the download page, find the latest stable release and choose the installer that's compatible with your Windows computer. Click the download button, and your browser will begin downloading the installation file automatically. Depending on your internet speed, the download may take a few moments to finish. After it's complete, open your Downloads folder and confirm that the installer file has been saved successfully. I mean, you don't need to open it right away if you're only downloading it for later use. If you're planning to install PowerToys immediately, simply double-click the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. The setup process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes to complete. Before installing, it's also a good idea to make sure your Windows system is up to date. This helps avoid compatibility issues and ensures that PowerToys runs smoothly after installation. And that's it. You now know how to download Microsoft PowerToys safely from the official source. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.